Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. Today, we're exploring Morningstar, Morningstar.com. This website is a powerful tool primarily known for its in-depth investment research and analysis. It provides a wealth of information for investors of all levels, from beginners just starting to explore the world of finance to seasoned professionals managing complex portfolios. Whether you're interested in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, or other investment vehicles, Morningstar likely has data and resources to help you make more informed decisions. One of the key features of Morningstar is its comprehensive fund ratings and analysis. They employ a robust methodology to evaluate funds based on various factors, including performance, risk, and expenses. This information can be incredibly valuable when comparing different investment options and choosing the best fit for your specific investment goals and risk tolerance. Beyond fund analysis, Morningstar also offers a range of portfolio tracking tools, allowing you to monitor your investments and track their performance over time. You can even set up alerts to be notified of significant changes or events related to your holdings. Furthermore, Morningstar provides extensive market news and commentary, keeping you up to date on the latest developments and trends impacting the financial world. They offer expert insights and perspectives on a wide range of topics, helping you understand the broader economic context and make more strategic investment choices. For those seeking more personalized guidance, Morningstar offers premium services with access to dedicated advisors and more sophisticated planning tools. Overall, Morningstar is a comprehensive and valuable resource for anyone interested in investing and managing their finances effectively. Their wealth of data, insightful analysis, and user-friendly tools can empower you to navigate the complexities of the financial markets and make informed decisions to achieve your financial objectives.